In today's video, I'll show you how to cancel Amazon Subscribe and Save in just a few simple steps. If you've been receiving automatic deliveries and want to stop them, here's exactly what to do. First, open your browser and go to Amazon.com. Then sign in to your Amazon account. Once you are signed in, hover over Account and List at the top right and click Subscribe and Save from the menu. You'll now see a page showing all your active subscriptions. If you want to cancel all future deliveries for a product, click on the image of that product, not the text link. This is important because the cancel option only appears when you click the image. Next, on the product page, click Cancel Subscription. A small pop-up will appear asking you to select a reason. Choose your reason from the drop-down menu, then click Cancel My Subscription to confirm. If you don't want to cancel permanently but just want to skip the next delivery, go back to the Deliveries tab, find the product, and click Skip. Then confirm by clicking Yes, skip this item. That's it. You've successfully managed your Amazon Subscribe and Save settings. Now you can cancel or skip deliveries anytime you want without getting extra products you don't need. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.